Hazrat Ubadah bin Samit radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, who participated in Ghazwa Badr and was a representative of his people among the people of Aqaba pledge, reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when he was surrounded by a group of his companions, said, "Give me a pledge of allegiance on this, that you will not associate any partner with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, will not steal, will not commit adultery, will not kill your children, will not calumniate any person intentionally, will not show disobedience in performing good deeds. Whoever among you fulfilled this pledge, his reward would be with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. And he who indulged himself with any of them and got its punishment in this world, that punishment would be an expiation on his part. And he who indulged in any one of these aforementioned activities and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu kept it concealed, so it would be up to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whether he, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, might pardon him or punish him. So we take an oath of allegiance to him on this point." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 18.